ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls of all ages. How are you all doing? I hope Santa was good to you all. As you can see, Baz and the Lynsey B are still in the festive spirit. Thank you for joining us on our Boxing Day vlog. You really should be spending time with your family, not watching YouTube, guys. Luckily enough, Santa was good enough not to give me any coal in my stocking this year, so I must have been a good boy. And as you can see, the Lynsey B, oh, she's all keen to go. She's ready for 2021, because after 2020 is the same as everybody else. What a disaster of a year, eh? However, I'm going to put this vlog together for you guys just to show us what kind of accomplishment that we've started from this time last year. We've actually accomplished a lot. It has been a roller coaster. We've had our ups, we've had our downs, the same as everybody else. But we're always looking forward, and we're always looking forward to the future for good times. And hopefully 2021, especially come March, April, that's what we're thinking on launching date, is going to be the year for the Lynsey B and one man and his boat. I hope you enjoy, guys. I'll see you at the end of this vlog. go, that's it. So guys, what did you think of that? Not too shabby, eh? We accomplished a lot during 2020 and I'm really looking forward to hashing on in 2021 and hopefully getting this lovely lady launched by March, April. We've got news for you. We have had the welder up last week. He's busy till the start of January, but after that he's all ours and we can rattle on, and he's going to do all the framework, the cat catcher and the handrails. But first of all, I've got to get that steering console at least somewhat finished. So I'm going to hash on with that after this vlog. What I want to say to you guys is please look after each other. Keep supporting the channel. I mean, if it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't have this channel. So keep doing what you're doing. Like, subscribe, share, tell your friends, because it's about to get interesting. 2021 will be one man in his boat's year, I can assure you that. All the best for New Year when it comes in. And we shall see you January the 2nd, 2021 for your next vlog. All the very best, my friends. Until next year.